This is the electronics embedded workbench which has everything that you require to learn about embedded system. Let us start from this corner. First of all, in this corner we have a digital multimeter which can be used to measure AC voltage, DC voltage, current, everything using this. The next thing that we have is a temperature analyzer in which the sensor is fitted inside the workbench. It can be taken out also, and it shows the current temperature. It will work when you switch on the panel. Next thing that is the new core of the embedded system is a Raspberry Pi. In this you can see the pinouts of the disconnector also. This is Raspberry Pi 4. The memory card is there and a Raspberry Pi OS is already preloaded in this OS. The USB ports, we have connected this keyboard and this mouse is already connected here. This is the mini HDMI cable which is connected to the monitor, and this is the power cable. This is power indicator and a DP MCB to save from short circuit protection. This is a DC power supply. This is a multiple DC power supply which has 30 volt 2 ampere variable here. It even has a 5 volt 5 ampere for running all different kind of modules. It also has a variable plus 15 volt and minus 15 volt DC here. This is a DC power supply which has various options with a constant voltage and constant current protection. This is a DSO which is 50 megahertz. With this DSO, these are the two leads. This is a 2-channel DSO. It can do mathematical addition, subtraction also. And this is a variable AC power supply. This variable power supply is for 5 amperes. The output of this variable AC power supply is coming through from this power analyzer. Anything which you connect at this terminal, you can see the current drawn by it, the line frequency, the total wattage, VA, power factor, everything that can be shown if anything is connected here. This is the first module, the 7 segment 4 FND module. This module works with ST80, this kit 8085 microprocessor training kit. This LM35 temperature control module, this works with 806 microprocessor kit. This taper motor control module works with ST85 kit. This is the ultrasonic distance measurement module. This module and these modules are provided with IO lines open, and it works with Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is provided here, which is fully functional and it can be programmed. This is the humidity sensor, this is LCD module, this is the accelerator, ultrasonic module. We even have a soldering station which for soldering and desoldering is provided here. All these 3 kits are connected internally. You just have to switch on the mains AC and it will work. For easyability, the USB connector are provided here. These USB connectors are there to connect the USB keyboard which are provided here. The function generator is for 5 megahertz, 3 megahertz function generator which is connected of MetroQ company. Here you can see the frequency range. I'll show you the working when I switch on the main AC. And this is the complete understanding of the panel. The mat on which we are working, it is a ESD mat. You can easily work on it. And these are the different power connectors which are provided on the panel to make the connections to connect the kits and everything.